maybe some parents that need direction in the kitchen. How you doing? I'm Nick Felber. I'm a firefighter paramedic here at Lockport Fire. Last week, Courtney showed you how to cook sloppy joes. Today, we're doing strawberry shortcake. This is a recipe that I learned how to make as a kid, and I want to share with you guys. So, we have our ingredients here. We have blueberries and strawberries. Blueberries just a little extra kick, a little extra pizzazz. Alright, we have our heavy whipping cream. You could always buy the canned whipping cream, but we're going to make it from scratch today because we're going to have some fun. And then right here, we have our little dessert shells we can use. I also got some vanilla pound cake. You can do whatever you want. You can even mix it up. Maybe you get some chocolate cake, you know. Cooking's all about love and experimentation. You know, it's your world. We also got some garnish, some mint. Maybe put it on. This is optional. Alright, so this is going to be a pretty easy meal today. What we're going to do, we're going to be making whipped cream from scratch. Alright? And so we have a regular beater, which is going to be more fun to do. There's an electric beater too. There's going to be some safety points that we talked about with that. And then there's going to be some cutting of the strawberries. You can use a butter knife for this, so it's going to be pretty easy. We're going to make sure we watch our fingers. I'll show you how to cut a strawberry correctly, okay? So we're going to teach you how to cut a strawberry, alright? So you want to be very careful, even though we're using a butter knife. Make sure parents in the kitchen while you're doing this as well. Always safety first, okay? So we take our beautiful strawberry, place it down on the cutting board, watch our fingers, and we're going to cut the top off. Stems off, we can chuck it, and then we're going to take our half a strawberry, you can put it on its top, and you cut it right down the center. Boom! You have the strawberry. If you want, you can cut it up again, put it on its side again, and then you can quarter the strawberry. Now, take the strawberries, chuck them in the bowl. And then you're going to fill your bowl up with strawberries. What you're going to want to do now is just keep cutting the rest of your strawberries and put them in a bowl, okay? And when you're done with that, what you're going to do is mix some little blueberries for some pizzazz. Right in the bowl with the strawberries, alright? After that, what you're going to do, we have our sugar. Dump some of our sugar in there. And then give it a good mix. We want to coat everything with the sugar. And this lets the juices out of the berries and gets them really nice and sweet for you. Alright gang, we're going to make the homemade whipped cream. So, I put a metal bowl in the freezer. This helps your whipped cream stay cold because you want it to stay cold. Keep this, your heavy whipping cream, in your fridge, or maybe put it in your freezer right beforehand for a few minutes, just to get it super cold. Because when it's super cold, helps it whip up faster. Okay? And I'm also show you a trick to help it whip up faster when we're doing it. So, for this recipe, we'll probably do a cup of heavy cream right in the bowl. And you can add some sugar, and you definitely want to add some vanilla. I'll do probably about half a tablespoon of vanilla. So, this is going to be your preferred method, this whisk. Alright, if you have one of these, beautiful. And it's going to be the most fun. Tell your parents it's the most fun. Otherwise, you can use one of these in an electric mixer. You want to make sure your parents are in the kitchen for this. Keep your hands out of the mixer. You don't want to lick the beaters until you pull them out, alright? And you've unplugged the mixer. Also, if you have long hair, keep it away from the beaters, please. Alright. So all you're going to do is, this is the most fun part of this recipe. You just got to whisk. And you just got to whisk fast. Alright? You can see here, there's already air getting in there. That's all you want to do is just get air in there. And I told you I was going to tell you a secret about how to make whipped cream faster. And the secret is to yell while you're doing it. Alright, so the yelling worked. As you can see here, soft peaks. That's what you want. This is the consistency you're looking for. Just keep whisking, 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 and it'll turn into whipped cream. Now we're ready to plate. So we're going to go over that now, okay? It's time to plate. So we have our little dessert cakes. We can put one of those there. We can also have some vanilla pound cake. Take our handy dandy butter knife. Cut a nice generous slice. And we're going to put that in our bowl. Next thing to do is our beautiful berries have all been incorporated and they're releasing their juices from that sugar. So they're nice and sweet, and then we just spoon them right on top. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Next thing, our awesome whipped cream. Take a big spoonful, all right? Nice and big. Plop that right on top. And last but not least, I always carry a mint leaf in my pocket. 2 of them actually. And we're just gonna garnish that right like that. And that is Strawberry Shortcake. If you like this recipe and you wanna try it at home, please share it with us. Courtney and I wanna see your recipes. We're at Lockport Fire on social media, on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.